Now, with the $20,000 mark for Bitcoin recently being punctured, many believe that we could now see a big flush out to as low as $10,000. Over the past couple of weeks, I think crypto has certainly caught the vast majority of people by surprise at just how quickly prices can collapse. So we're now in a very precarious time for crypto, and there seems to be two main camps forming. One that says crypto is just a big Ponzi scheme that is finally all coming crashing down, and this will be the end of crypto. And the other camp believes crypto is on an exponential growth trend, and that this is just another big correction before we go on to set new all-time highs. And so in this video, we'll be looking at 5 key charts to try to make sense of what is going on, and interestingly, they're all giving a very specific message when it comes to the price. As always, if you do enjoy anything in the video, then drop a like, always appreciated. Okay, so first up, crypto's recent crash has certainly caught a lot of people by surprise at just how quickly prices can fall. So let's take a quick look at what is going on. Okay, so starting with the Bitcoin price and just taking a quick look at what has gone on over the past week. As you can see, I think this drop has caused a lot of people by surprise, as it was hovering around this $30,000 for quite a while. Once it broke very quickly and taken us all the way down to $20,000. And then over the last couple of days, it broke down to as low of 17,700. Now, my last buy order was executed around the $23,000 mark. And actually, I had another one. It had to break below 17, which it just stayed above. And now we've got back above this $20,000 mark. So lots of fear right now, lots of uncertainty as to where it goes next, and a lot of people doubting that crypto will even come back. So now I'm going to show you 5 charts which are all screaming one very important message. And first up, it's Bitcoin's 200-week moving average. Now, I'm a big fan of the 200-day moving average, but this one, the 200-week, is a long-term chart. And as you'll notice, it very, very rarely gets breached. Only in the biggest capitulation events does the 200-week moving average get hit. And as of right now, it's broken below again. So in Bitcoin's entire history, it's only done this 2 times before. So this would say this is a capitulation event and a very rare buying opportunity. Now, the second chart, the RSI, or the Relative Strength Index. And again, this is used in technical analysis to try to assess, is the market overvalued or undervalued? Are we overbought or oversold? And this is an oscillator and quite a simple chart to read. Essentially, when it gives a high reading, it'll be in red, and this indicates that it's overvalued and showing a bit of a warning. So nice and easy, red is a warning that it's been overbought. And then in these deep blue ranges is the opposite, that it's undervalued and it's currently oversold. And very, very interestingly, again, this goes back to the entire history of Bitcoin, and it set a new all-time low in Bitcoin's entire history. The RSI has never been this low. So again, a huge flashing sign that the market is massively oversold right now. Chart number 3, and this is the Fear and Greed Index, telling us about market sentiment right now. And this was a screenshot from a couple of days ago in the midst of the panic. And it's a rating from 0 to 100. And number 6 is pretty much as low as it gets. Again, this goes back all the way to February 2018. And very Rarely will it get to about a level of 10. I believe this was a 5 or 6, but again, it was pretty much at rock bottom. Maximum fear, maximum certainty, maximum doubt. And historically, that has always been the very best time to buy. Number 3, we have logarithmic regression. Now, I'll probably do a full video again on this shortly, but essentially tracks the Bitcoin price over time in a logarithmic chart. Nicely color coordinated. And again, this shows times when it's overvalued, undervalued, overvalued, undervalued. We have got fair value going through the middle, and amazingly, in this latest big sell-off, it went down to the absolute bottom level, saying basically it's at a fire sale price. And again, it doesn't go there very often in Bitcoin's entire history. But again, yet another chart saying this would be a screaming buying opportunity. And then finally, we have the net unrealized profit and loss, which is basically unrealized means that people haven't yet sold and whether they're in profit or loss. So above this 0%, this is when most of the market is in profit, and below 0 is when the most of the market average is at a loss. Now, obviously, Bitcoin and crypto has had outstanding gains, so most of the time the market is in profit, and it's only in these big capitulation events that the majority of people get caught out and they're in a loss. And again, what just happened, we can see the big drop put us into the capitulation zone, and as it stands right now, most people are now in a loss. And again, this doesn't happen very often and would signal again a great buying opportunity. Crypto has certainly caught the vast majority of people by surprise at just how quickly prices can fall. And it looks to me that there are two camps forming. One that says crypto is just a big Ponzi scheme that's finally all coming crashing down and this is the end of crypto. And the other that believes crypto is still on an exponential growth trend and this is just another big correction before going on to a new all-time high. Now, if you're in the camp that this is just another big correction and a massive overreaction by the marketplace, then the 5 charts that we looked at are all screaming that this is massively oversold and a very rare buying opportunity. The 200-week moving average does not get broken very often. The RSI has set a new all-time low. The Fear and Greed Index has hit rock bottom. The logarithmic regression chart says these are fire sale prices, and the overall market participants are now at a loss. And one of the top people I like to follow and pay attention to is CZ of Binance. And he recently said, "Just know your actions now determine what you will feel like during the next all-time high, not financial advice." Now, if you're familiar with my channel, then you'll know that I believe this is not the end of crypto. And in my next video, I'll be showing why the next bull run is going to be explosive, but this time to the upside. So there you are, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Now let me know, do you think this is the end of crypto or a very rare buying opportunity? Let me know below. But for now, just to say, if you did enjoy anything in the video, then drop a like, and a big thank you to everyone who does. If you haven't yet subscribed, click below and join us. Got some great videos coming up that you don't want to miss. Okay, cheers guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.